Check it out, you guys. Today I'm going to be working on the wiring for our 1964 Chevelle, our original bracket car that we are reviving for the 2022 season. I'm going to be working with a K&R Performance Super Duty wiring kit, and I thought it'd be really cool to have you guys rank my wiring job. How well do I do at wiring? Because be honest with you guys, I love wiring race cars. It's like one of my favorite things. I am not a professional. This is the second time I've ever done this. The first time that I've ever done this is all recorded on video, and I dove into a lot of details in those videos, and they are linked down in the description. Now, I love looking at super nice, super clean wiring jobs like on the internet. I love looking at that stuff. And like in the back of my mind, I've been waiting to do this. Like I've been looking forward to this day for a while. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna do a lot of vlogging. I'm just gonna enjoy the process. And at the end, when you see the finished product, let me know down in the comments. Score it, 1 out of 10. How well did I do? And leave me a comment. What should I have done different? What did you like? What did you dislike? reason, I forgot this power for the ignition box. Just hanging out up here. Luckily, there's only like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zip ties I gotta cut. All right, guys, it's been a long day. Are you ready to see the finished product? Are you ready to see what we ended up with? Remember, rank it down in the comments, 1 through 10. What do you think? Here it is. Obviously, we still have a lot of work to do to get all of this wiring into the car, so if you're interested in seeing more about that, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button. A huge thank you goes out to K&R Performance Engineering for sponsoring this video. Be sure to use discount code GallStar5 at checkout over at krperformance.com and save yourself 5% on your order of the trickiest bracket racing parts available, including the Super Duty wiring kit. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, all the things that you do. Visit the GallStar TV swag shop to support the creation of more videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Later.